Tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change your Hostinger email profile picture in 2025. It's super simple and only takes a few minutes, so let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Click on Login and sign in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger hPanel dashboard. From here, scroll down or look for the Marketplace option. Click that, then select the Emails tab. This will take you to the section where Hostinger manages Titan Email. Inside the Email section, choose Titan Email. Then click on the Explore button to view more detailed options. If you don't already have a plan, you may need to select one. But if you're just updating your profile picture, you can skip ahead as long as your plan already supports it. Now inside Titan Email, open your profile settings. You'll usually find this by clicking on your profile icon or looking for an edit button. From here, select the option to upload a new photo. Browse your computer, pick your image, make sure it's in JPEG or PNG format, and then upload it. Once your picture is uploaded, just hit save to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Hostinger email profile picture. So yeah, that's how you change your Hostinger email profile photo. A clean, professional picture can make your emails feel way more personal and trustworthy. Thanks for watching, and if you get stuck at any step, check out Hostinger's support page. See you in the next one.